got big hands. I'm 6'1". This is huge. That is ridiculous. Just the destruction. This whole area used to be shaded. See those tops got knocked off? The whole area changed. We're gonna keep looking, boys. There's some stuff further on down. That's insane. Look down there. Look at this. The path just keeps going. Path of destruction. Goodness. Like, this is about 4.5 feet in diameter. That is, and this wasn't like rotten wood at all. This tree wasn't, like, that's termite or something like that. But look at the heartwood, right? No, this tree was in good health. These massive evergreens. I think they're called conifers, evergreens? Massive sons of guns. There was actually I think it was a hawk nest or a falcon nest, something. I think it was a red-tailed hawk. But I remember last summer, like these sons, like that's literally one of the trunks. Goodness. My goodness. This, I mean, granted, that's what storms do, and goodness. I'm gonna go look over there real quick, Cole, okay? Okay. You guys doing good? Okay. May, hang on. Oh my goodness, that's where the freaking big boys are coming from. Look at that. Look at the diameter on that trunk. Look at that, on top of the gravestones. Literally resting. Goodness. Goodness. Like, boys, this wasn't no Trump tree. This wasn't no little guy over here. This was a daddy. This was a freaking daddy. Dang. And I know, yo, your camera never conveys it. The camera never conveys it. Oh, I've never seen trees uprooted like this in person. And this was an old growth, well over 100 years. Well over 100 years. Like, all those uprooted. My goodness. This whole place has a different feel, a different vibe. Now, and I'm approaching this through a selfish lens, right? All I did was come here to get some nice vibes and enjoy the trees. People actually have loved ones buried here, and I'm sure that's going to be more heartbreaking for them and a harder thing to deal with, because this was a beautiful place to remember somebody, and now it's forever changed, you know. But that's honestly, it's a good analogy. It's a good example of what death is, right? Nothing stays the same. People die, people change, things, you know, break. Like, look, all this stuff smashed. Boys and girls, put your faith in heaven, put your faith in Jesus. Love y'all. God bless.